Hello everyone, let's continue to our second trigram, Zhen, thunder. Features for Zhen are straight, loud, vocal, movable, intense, competitive, conflict, and the beginning. It is located at east. It also represents places such as downtown, theater, sports stadium, dance hall, busy street, fighting arena, launching site, radio station, or battlefield. The corresponding color for Zhen is green, and the related element is wood. Zhen represents the figures of eldest son, second in charge of the organization, carpenter, dancer, musician, athlete, soldier, police, or thug. For personality, Zhen means impatient, active, diligent, kind, irritable, short-tempered, and people who have strong self-esteem. The representative objects are radio, audio equipment, musical instrument, alarm clock, telephone, firework, toys which make loud noise, or straight hair. The representative organs or body parts are left arm, liver, and the straight hair. Our next trigram is Gen, mountain. Gen have the characters of slow, steady, huge, hard, motionless, stop, wait, blockage, and unpopular. Gen is located at northeast. It is also associated with places like castle, mine, cave, graveyard, dike, bank, intersection, or any public transport station. The related colors are brown or khaki, and its element is earth. Gen represent the figures of the little boy, children in general, staff, gatekeeper or goalkeeper, bodyguard, heir, or people who have a lot of free time. The related personalities for Gen are practical, trustworthy, reliable, quiet, stubborn, and lazy. The representative objects are chair, bed, door, wall, wallet, safe case, stair, gloves, shoes, or umbrella. For the last, representative organs or body parts, Gen could be nose, the whole back, left foot, and all the body joints such as knees or elbows. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.